tell you what exactly is the difference between long term and short term planning. So I'll continue with the same example. So at this time, being a 10th student, what is short term plan for you basically, which college I will select, yes or no? So for example, if someone has decided, chalo, I have taken up commerce, मुझे उसमें ही जाना है. So now after 11th, you will, start searching for colleges, wherever you stay, मुझे कौन सा अच्छा पड़ेगा, right? But ये जो आपका long term planning क्या था, to become a manager, CA, doctor, whatever it is. So I think this example has clearly made you understood the difference between long term and short term planning. आपको समझा? Please type yes or no, because if you have not understood this is the foundation of this subject, difference between short term and long term planning. Okay, thank you so much for replying. So now we'll actually start with the definition. इसमें भी I'll give you examples. Like now you can refer to the slide that I have shared with you all. If anyone has any doubts, you can type it in the chat box. See, because we already have a limitation of time. Already 40 minutes का ही lecture होता है. So you can type it out in the chat box or ask me privately. I'll reply to it. So we'll start. It is, see, अभी ये जो bold में लिखा है, focus only on that, because ये actually मेरे MBA time की notes है. So I'll tell you what it is currently. If some people will ask me कि ma'am which notes we have to refer क्या है and all, let me tell you, actually abhi actually printing has not started. Even we as teachers haven't received any books. Abhi aapko, you won't, books won't be available in market. So it's not advisable ki abhi you, I mean, even expect notes, right? Once the lockdown ends, hopefully soon, I'll be able to tell you which book to refer and all. But till that time, you can refer my notes, because these are also very good, right? So yeah, coming back to the definition, unified. So here I was actually talking about teamwork, TEAM, right? So उसमें basically यही लिखा था कि हम लोग कोई भी plan कब achieve कर सकते हैं. We are talking about strictly business now, companies, right? कि unified मतलब सबकी unity होनी चाहिए, right? Comprehensive and integrated plan. Okay, now see, try to understand comprehensive and integrated. Comprehensive means, I'll tell you. Everyone, let me give you a simple example. See, have ये जो बड़े buildings, towers, offices, when they are constructed, if you people know, it's not an easy thing. Like there are a lot of engineers, architects who work on this project, and before the work actually starts, they make a blueprint. You have heard this word blueprint? I'm typing it out in the chat box. Blueprint. Blueprint means nothing but a sketch of the building up. It's nothing but ये लोग जो drawing sketches बनाते हैं. Again you ask me why they people do it. Why? Because आगे जाके there is no scope for mistakes. See, try to understand. If we plan good advance में, if we are planning, chances of errors are automatically minimized. Yes or no? Right? Let me give you one more example of simple what exactly planning is. Uh, okay. Let's take it currently lockdown nahi hai, for example, and your exams are going on. Okay. Now, since you will be in TY, you all know कि henceforth जरूरी नहीं, you will be given centers by the university. जहाँ पे भी your center comes, you have to attend there, right? Yeah. So let's take it, you are going for a certain exam. आपका center कहीं दूर आया हुआ है, far from your home. So now what you are doing is, what is your plan A? तुमने क्या mind में रखा था? I'll take a train to go to a certain place, right? This was your plan A. Now you people tell me, unfortunately you come to realize it's a bad day for me. There is a strike of trains going on. Strike चल रही है, trains नहीं, बंद हो गई है. तो what will you do? Answer me in the chat box. Won't तुम लोग एग्जाम के लिए नहीं जाओगे क्या? What will you do? I'm asking you a situation. Is it like someone will say no, I'll skip the exam? Anyone like that over here? Can type it out in the chat box. Right, someone already wrote, Many people are answering me yes, privately also. Good. So, what will be your plan B? Maybe you will go by bus, right? Okay, now see, try to understand. Bus also is a very good option. But then what you realize, oh, there's a lot of traffic on the road. And we all know our Indian buses very well, right? If you realize by the time if I get a bus, even if I take a bus, it will take me at least 3 to 4 hours to reach the exam hall, right? Making it again not a feasible plan. Feasible means we cannot implement it. It's of no use basically, right? So what will be your third option? As you all said, take an Ola or auto. Very good option. You will reach there for sure within your expected time, right? So this is what I mean to say, right? So this example I had given you, comprehensive and exhausting, that is what ये जो words लिखे, comprehensive and integrated, it's the same thing, कि a lot of effort goes into making a plan. See, this example that I had given you is a very simple example, daily life. But try to understand, when we are doing a business, lakhs or crores of rupees we are investing into it, right? And see, we always need to have a plan A, plan B. Why I'm telling you is, इतने सारे पैसे इन्वेस्ट किए हुए हैं, ऑब्वियसली अल्टीमेट एम कोई भी बिजनेस का क्या है, टू अर्न प्रॉफिट, राइट? वी आर नॉट हियर टू मेक लॉसेस, सो अ लॉट ऑफ planning is very important, right? Now go to the next part of the definition. इसमें जो लिखा है, that relates to strategic advantage of the firm. This is very important. Try to understand strategic advantage. Okay. Uh, yeah. I'll give you a simple example. This is a very interesting concept over here. In the class, has anyone known about this concept of SWOT analysis? The next whole lecture will be based on this. It is a very important concept in strategic management. Anyone has heard of SWOT analysis? SWOT, SWOT. Every alphabet has a certain word. SWOT analysis. Anyone? Okay, it's a new concept for you all. So next whole lecture would be based only on this concept, understanding what exactly it is. Okay, someone is saying yes. So do you know the full form? Okay, I have already, since there is a lack of time, I have written it in the chat box. Good, someone has told. Strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. So, yeah, this concept I'm going to explain in the next lecture. Don't worry about that. Yes, so now people are replying. Thank you for replying. Yeah. So now I'll cover only one point here, strategic advantage of the firm. So try to understand. For example, I'm taking any name. I think that Pooja is not from your division. So, the one who paints very good. I'm talking about BBI only. So let's take उसका strength क्या है? She is very good at artwork, right? Maybe let's take someone else. Maybe I don't know many names, but let's say कोई अभिषेक करके है. उसके स्पोकन स्किल्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. मे बी या आई थिंक दोज ऋषभ एंड वन और टू मोर एनएसएस वॉलंटियर्स, दे आर वेरी गुड एट वर्किंग इन अ टीम. या सो व्हाट आई मीन टू से इज, ये लोगों की स्ट्रेंथ है. मे बी बीइंग वेरी गुड एट समथिंग, हार्ड वर्किंग एंड ऑल. So now what I'm trying to explain you here is, see, life mein who will be successful, we always keep on telling, there are some people who will be successful, some log nahi, they are not able to become successful, right? To try to understand, I don't know how many of you keep on reading. कई बार ये लोग की बायोग्राफी, ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखते हैं. डू यू नो द रीजन फॉर दिस? व्हाई इज नॉट एवरीवन सक्सेसफुल? द मेन रीजन हियर इज, जो लोग सक्सेसफुल होते हैं, दे नो व्हाट देयर टैलेंट्स आर, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, एंड दे आर एबल टू इफेक्टिवली यूज इट आगे जाके. तो इन द सेम वे आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बिजनेस. सो लेट्स अज्यूम, अगर कोई बिजनेस है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ दे वांट टू बी सक्सेसफुल, तो उनका मे बी, लेट्स टेक इट, उनका क्या स्ट्रेंथ है? उनकी प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है, 5 स्टार्स, द क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज सुपर ऑसम. right? So unka strategic advantage basically means what? How will you be apart from your competitors? आपके जो competitors होते हैं, see after all कौन game जीतता है? जो competitors से आगे जाएगा, right? Very simple. तो how will you make sure you will go ahead? आप आपके strength आगे लेके जाओ, not weakness, right? This you will understand more in SWOT analysis when we go further. Yeah. So moving on to the next part of the definition, to the challenges of the environment. Okay, now try to understand. There's one more word that I like. See, I always try to give you code words ताकि आपको concepts easily याद रहे. I've written one word here, pastel. Anyone knows the full form of pastel? It's related to environment. एक word मैंने आपको already बोल दिया, E. Try to guess it. Okay. Try to understand first of all. If someone says we want to do a business, what are the things? Maybe ये सब I pastel की जो बात हो रही है, I'm talking about the factors. They easily affect the business. Yes, I think someone has correctly said. I'm also typing it out since all of you might not know. The first P stands for political environment. Yes. What I mean to say is, एक country, उनका business जो होता है, government, ruling party कौन सी है, right? How is it affecting everyone? Yes, someone has written already rightly in the chat box. You can refer to that. Economic, like see, try to understand. Best example अभी चल रहा है, right? Before March our economy was in the best shape, businesses अच्छे चल रहे थे, everything was going on great, right? But after lockdown, post lockdown, if you people read the newspaper, there are thousands of jobs all over the world, layoffs हो रहे हैं, employees are being thrown out of their jobs, the condition of economy graph एकदम down चला गया है, right? Because of this coronavirus pandemic. What I mean to say here is, the main point here is ये जो भी है political, economic, see ये सब जो factors है, these are uncontrollable, they are not in our hands after all, right? We cannot say. Did anyone knew about this virus, that it was going to come, that our economy will be in bad shape? Anyone had predicted this? Not really, right? So इसलिए understanding this environment is very very important, right? The next one is social. Take the best example now. Now everyone has smartphones. You people are still mature enough. Even those children in schools, even they use smartphone. Look at 20, 30, 50 years down the line, your parents, for them maybe investing in a smartphone is a big investment. What is their mentality? अरे क्या जरूरत है स्मार्टफोन लेने की, इतना महंगा फोन लेके हम लोग क्या करें? But look at the times now. अभी के time में it has become a necessity, right? Maybe आपके तो अभी your lectures are happening online, but पहले के time में things were not like that. So what I mean is, try to understand society over the years, how their tastes are changing, right? Next one is technological. As I have told you, 50 years back, the concept of abhi jo ho raha hai, take the best example, all because of this virus. Now people always keep on complaining that this is bad, ye ho raha hai, economy, all of that. But see, try to always look at the good side of things. One good side that is happening here is, like, see, did any one of you even expect, maybe last year when I was taking classroom sessions for you all, did you people expect this, that कभी ऐसा भी दिन आएगा जब online lectures होंगे? No. What I mean to say is, ये change लाना पड़ा. It had to be brought up, right? So in the same way, technological, I was talking about 50 years back, the demand for laptops, cell phones was not very much. But now if you see, maybe even your parents, brother, sister, all of them might be working from home, right? So अभी ये सब चीजें, I mean, try to understand अभी ये चीजों, businesses जो है, those are into these fields, कितना demand है उनका, right? The next one is environmental. Let me give you an example. Some time back, if you might have read in the news, plastics जो होता था, they were banned by the government of Maharashtra. Why? Because of pollution, basically. So now I'm talking about those polythene bags. The plastic which is used in factories and all, that is different. That is totally for industrial purpose. I'm talking about a commercial use. So क्या हो जाता है, मे बी those companies, like you never know, for example, if someone, they might have a tobacco farm, tobacco manufacturing. What if the government bans, for example in Gujarat liquor is banned, so वहां पे उनके businesses के लिए अच्छा scope नहीं है, right? What I mean is, ये सब जो factors I'm talking about, basically they are uncontrollable. We don't know what will happen हमारे business को, right? So that's why understanding the environment is very important. And last one, which is illegal, the high court, supreme court, judicial system, hearings होते रहते हैं हमेशा, वो लोग क्या नए decisions लेके आते हैं, this implementation of GST taxation जो भी है, it after all, it is something that will affect your business, right? So I hope till now you have understood the concept of pastel environment, because ये जब तक नहीं समझेगा I cannot move forward. So please type at least yes no in the chat box. If again you have any doubt, please clear it now, because this is just the basis start of the lecture. ये नहीं समझा तो आगे भी कुछ नहीं समझेगा. Okay, so now we'll move on with the further definition. So see, I had told you challenges of the environment. Environment मतलब यही सब pastel, those 6 words you have to remember. And it's designed to ensure that objectives of the enterprise are achieved. Very simple. Can you tell me this enterprise मतलब company? What are the basic objectives of any enterprise? You people tell me 11th कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट्स का क्वेश्चन है. What are the objectives of any firm? And see, don't get confused, because इसमें words are hi-fi but basic understanding same ही है. Yeah, I was asking which are the basic objectives of a firm. Achieve goals. Which goals? क्या है ultimate goal, क्या है of any company? टू अर्न मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट्स, राइट, एंड मिनिमाइज लॉसेस. तो उसमें यही लिखा है कि टू अचीव गोल्स. गोल्स मीन्स व्हाट? टू अचीव द गोल ऑफ प्रॉफिट. दे आर अचीव्ड through proper implementation process. Very important. Now see, try to understand. Implementation process means what? Implement means whatever plan that we have made, that implement matlab actual mein we have to practice. So for example, if I tell you people that I have very high expectations from you all, we'll make a plan ki PY mein you will score maximum marks, you will get O grade, whatever it is. So you people tell me planning and all we have done very good, but what you people are doing, you are not putting in enough studies. Like what plan I had made as a teacher for you? See, because ultimately how is a teacher's success measured? Looking at the results of the students, right? What they are actually gaining. So yeah, that's what I was telling. So now I tell students to study for at least 2 to 3 hours every day. So now what's happening, if the students are planning and all is great, but students are not putting in the efforts, nahi study kar rahe 2 3 hours, then what will happen ultimately is implementation nahi ho raha hai. Actual putting it into use is not happening. Right? So that is very important. So see, now if you see at the definition clearly, see, because today, since this is the first lecture, I am not going much into depth. I just want you to understand the meaning, strategy क्या होती है in 3 simple words. So like see, ये सब जो points है, now ये ABC करके जो लिखा है, it's nothing but explanation of what is written up. Like see, unified, comprehensive and integrated plan, challenges of the environment, that pastel environment that I explained you, and proper implementation, ensuring achievement of basic objectives. मतलब basic objectives of a firm क्या है? To earn profit, right? So see, this is the definition that I was talking about. मतलब 3 simple words only if you remember, which is long term planning. Then these all you can write in your own words, right? Yeah, and see, इसके नीचे if you see something more is written, it is nothing but the same meaning. Organization's pattern of response to its environment over a period of time. You know, as we go deeper into the subject, you will be, getting more knowledge about it, right? Exactly क्या होता है, how businesses work. Okay, now see quickly, I'll go through this now. You can see this strategy as an action inclusive of objective setting. So, see, first, Age it is written 1960s, it is given by Chandler. No need to write all of that. Just move to the main concept determination of basic long term goals. See, I was clearly telling strategy means long term. Short term जो है within 6 months 1 year we are not focusing on that, right? What will be the long term goals for any company? To earn profit. अगर हम बोल रहे for example, कि I have a company, I want to make a turnover of 100,000 crores. You people tell me practically thinking, is it possible within a period of 1 year? नॉट रियली, काफी मेहनत लगती है, राइट? अच्छे से प्लान करना पड़ता है. हाँ, मे बी मेरा शॉर्ट टर्म गोल क्या हो सकता है? शॉर्ट टर्म गोल मीन्स व्हाट, विद इन अ पीरियड ऑफ 6 months to 1 year, कि मैं how I mean who how many employees I will hire for the company. So let's take an example. I am starting, मेरी एक ओन आई my own startup company. So उसमें मेरा शॉर्ट टर्म गोल क्या होगा कि चलो अभी के लिए आई नीड someone who has to help me, right? So for helping me, I will think, okay, I will need 1 2 employees. So what will be my short-term goal? Within 6 months, I will start searching कि who will work for my company, right? Now मेरा long-term goal क्या होगा? Long-term goal means more than 1 year. See, businesses, if you people read in the news, even companies like Amazon, इतने बड़े जो giants है, founder of Amazon is the richest person in the world, if you know, Jeff Bezos, right? So when it has almost been 10 years since he invested in India, but abhi jaake bhi still now, I mean abhi he might be, but he is not earning profits yet. What I mean to say is, ye jo profit ke goals hai, they can be achieved over a period of time. Goodwill means what? Company का अच्छा नाम होना. शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स नहीं है ये, सब लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स है, राइट? Yes. And one more thing, yeah, if you see, go back to the. Okay, so see, now we have exactly 10 minutes to go, and I have to give you home assignment also. Yes, thank you for sharing the news. Yeah. So see, आगे जो लिखा है adoption of course of action and allocation of resources, इसका भी it's more or less same meaning. Course of action मतलब future way, what we have to do in the future, and allocation of resources. Giving you a simple example, if you have someone who has done MBA in finance, like maybe you people banking and insurance. So what if I'm your manager? What I have decided is I will put, like, you have done your MBA in finance, but I am placing you in HR department, human resource department. Tell me one thing, am I placing the right person for the right job? MBA finance का बंदा है, I am putting him in HR department. Am I doing the right thing? Think about it and tell me. Everyone, quickly answer in the chat box. सिंपल क्वेश्चन आई एम आस्किंग यू. करेक्ट, इट्स अ बिग नो. जिसका जो एक्सपर्टाइज है मैं उसको उसी डिपार्टमेंट में डालूंगा. एलोकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज मीन्स द सेम थिंग. यू नो व्हाट योर वर्क फोर्स इज गुड एट, राइट? सो मैं उसको उसी में डालूंगा, right? It works very much. That is also very important. See, again the same thing. So for example, I tell, if someone who is an extrovert, someone who likes to speak, communication skills are very good, will we place such a person for back end jobs जो कंप्यूटर के हैं? Not really. ऐसा जो person है, he'll be a fit for marketing department, right? Because marketing में you constantly need to convince people, tell them to talk with you, right? Yes, so that is what allocation of resources, and another the B point that I had explained you. So I think till now, what do you mean by strategy? I hope that is clear with you all. Okay, so now I'm typing the question for your home assignment in the chat box. You can write it down. And yes, after the end of this lecture, I'm also creating my own YouTube channel. So for those of you who have missed it out, या तो आपको बीच में कुछ नहीं समझा हो, you can anyway, in technology का advantage है, lectures are recorded, so you can have a look at the lecture again. Right, by the next lecture, I'll post the link of my channel in the group. So the first, like today's question, I'm typing it out in the chat box, and I think someone please reply. आपका जो first page assignment का format है, that should have been told to you on the group, right? There should be a common format for all the teachers. First page का I'm asking. Okay. See, this is the question for today's assignment. And see, normally what I'm doing with all the classes is, yeah, I'll also write my email over here. Like, see, end of the week, I collect assignments. Okay, so I think for you all, it hasn't been shared on the group yet. So some of the other teachers will always share it. I'm talking only about the first page. इसके अलावा जो भी क्वेश्चंस है, I would say आपको जैसे ही टाइम मिले, start writing you all. Okay, this is the question of the assignment. What do you mean by strategy? What is pastel environment? So see, pastel environment, as I've told you, you already know the full form, right? So you can write in your own words. Otherwise, yeah. And ये जो first है strategy, what this notes I had shared with you, after the end of the lecture I'm also going to put this in your WhatsApp group. Okay, so through these notes you can always refer to it. Okay, and yeah, one more thing, I'm also sharing the link of my YouTube channel uh, in your group. Okay, otherwise I'm doing one thing, like since this is a live lecture going on, I'll send it that link to you personally, because अभी वो video post नहीं हुआ है YouTube पे. So I think the CR or someone you can